Are you looking to enable or to disable the data saver on Twitter or X as it's named now? Well, do not worry guys, because this is what I'm going to show you today in this guide where you can locate to turn on or off the data saver on Twitter. That being said, I just open up the app. I will press on my profile and let's go inside the settings again, and let's press on accessibility, display languages, and right the last one should be data usage. And if I will mark the first setting that I have here, let's read what it says. When enabled, videos won't autoplay, lower quality images load. This automatically reduces your data usage for all X accounts on this device. So videos won't autoplay anymore when you scroll, and images will load in a much lower quality. That will help you significantly to reduce your data usage. And if I will scroll, yes, videos won't autoplay anymore. And I didn't saw any difference with images, but this is what that was something else. So yeah, this is how to enable or disable data saver on Twitter. I really hope this tutorial helped you out. If I help you, don't forget to thumbs up the like button, leave a like, and leave any comment in the comment section with any questions if you have any. Don't forget to subscribe, and please have a wonderful day.